going to be on our watch list. 24,800 to start off trade with this Monday morning for the Nifty. Mildly higher for L&T, Shriram Finance flat. It's the autos once again which are actually, stealing the limelight. Look at the Tata Motors, for instance. That stock is holding up in trade. M&M higher by another 1.5%. I mean, M&M is now a 3,600 rupee per share stock. Let's see what Hyundai as well as, some of the other auto majors as well are up to, Maruti, etc., and what they are doing in trade. Hyundai mildly higher, Eicher Motors higher by 0.2%, although Eicher is not really the related party here. Mildly higher for Maruti Suzuki as well, but M&M continues to charge up ahead. Look at BHEL. They've signed a 10-year MOU with Horizon Fuel Celltech Singapore for H2 fuel cell based rolling stock. Look out for that stock. Samvardhana Motherson, we were just discussing this one, or Samil. They've set out a gross revenue target of $108 billion by FY30 versus 25.7 that they set out in FY25. So that's the other stock which is also in focus. For Amber, the electronics division has got a 1,200 crore rupee funding from investors. That's the other stock. There's Max Estate, like I was pointing out. They're looking at development of a sizable land parcel in Gurugram. Max Estate's higher by 4.5%. In fact, shortly on the show, we're going to be chatting also with the management of Max Estates. Would be good to have them. Brigade Enterprises also has set up for a joint development agreement for a residential project in East Bangalore. The GDV is at about 2,500 crore rupees. So that's the other stock which is also in focus. And then, of course, a series of negative news coming in on Pharma, DRL, Lupin, Zydus Life, as well as Oro Pharma. Let's check in on those names, whether the bias on those names is negative this time or not. Seems like the going is a little bit soft right now for most of the pharma plays. Nifty, though, stabilized around the 24,800 mark, but right now it seems like a slippery wicket. And I can see that it's actually metals which is ruling the roost. Look at the Tata Steel, JSW Steel, all those stocks are the ones which are seeing those big moves kick in for themselves.
Well, yes, metals are shining bright except Vedanta, because Vedanta is likely to have emerged as a winning bidder for Jaiprakash Associate, and that stock is actually down over 2% as we speak, because some of the brokerages are not taking it as positively. It's a bit of an unrelated business that the company might be entering, and along with that we are seeing a bit of a hit coming in on that particular stock. Along with that, it's Amber Enterprise as well, which has now slipped in the red, almost a 2% cut. Some of these life insurance counters like SBI Life, HDFC, ICICI Pru, they are one of the top losers on the F&O side, and along with that it's select companies like Blue Star, Max Health, Nestle. They are also reeling a bit under pressure this Monday morning. But yes, like Aisha mentioned, it's definitely the metal pack that is seen to be shining bright, followed by select auto counters. After that, auto price cut churn that we are getting to see, like M&M and Tata Motors, and even select companies within the chemical basket like UPL, that is also flying high with almost 1.5% of gains. Let's also have a look at what some of these IT companies are doing, given the fact that there has been some uncertainty around that Hire Act, and no major disappointment rather, because stocks like Wipro and TCS, they are holding themselves as we speak right now.